open your file in a read mode, you have two options. First, you can write it like this as well, or you can write it in this format as well. But the only difference will be just change this W to R. That means you're working in a readable format right now. So press enter. Let's just remove this R. Let's now check this format. So for that, just press enter. That means you're working in a readable format. So to check that, just type f dot readable and press enter. True means you're working in a readable format. So let's just read the lines what has been written inside a file. So just type f dot read, open the packet, close the packet. This will read your whole text file. So just press enter and this will read your whole text file, and you can check it here as well. Open the text test1.txt file, so you can see similarly you have some different functions as well. So for that, let's check the current position, or we can say the current indexing of your file. So for that, just type f dot tell. So it will tell you at what position you are right now. Press enter. So you are at 44th position. You can count it as well. But this time if you will write f dot read, it will not read anything, because right now you are at the last position of your text file. So press enter and you are not getting any message. So to preset this value, you have one more function, that is one dot seek. So it will change your position from last position to some other position whichever you want to set over here. So for that you can write 0, 0 and press enter. So it will set you to the starting position. That means you are now at the starting position, that is 0. And this time if you will check the same thing again, you will get this message again. See, you got the message. And there are some more functions as well. So for that, first set the position to starting position again. Press enter. Now read line. So when you will type f dot read line, it will read your current line and it will remove the others. But this time we are only having the single line, so that's why it is showing you the single line only. But in case you are having different lines, at that time you will get the first line at the first time. Again when you will write f dot read line again, then you will get the next line. Again when you will write this, then next line, so on. After that you are having one more function here, that is read lines. What it will do is it will take all the text file and create each line as one list item. So for that, just press enter. Okay, you have to change your position again. So just type f dot seek 0, 0, press enter, read lines. Now press enter. So you can see it is showing your first line as your first element of your list. So you can check this as well, that what type of value you are getting here. So for that, just type f dot read lines. So you can see you're getting a list here. Similarly, you are having so many functions for reading a file, but I'm not going to tell you each and everything. So for that you have to check it. But one more thing I can tell you is the third mode that I mentioned in the starting of the video, that is the append method. For that, just type f dot close, because first you have to close this file. And why we are using append, let me tell you why. So for that, first open your file, f equals to open. First open it in a writable format, test1.txt comma write. Now press enter. So this time when you will write something to this, so this time let me show you one more function, that is write lines. Before we use f.write, that will just print the message in a single line, but when you will use f.write lines, this will print a multiple line text. So for that, just type this is, and press enter. So what it has done is, it has written all these 4 lines into your test1.txt file. But what it will do is, it will overwrite all these things. It will remove this message, and after that it will write these things. So that's why we are going to use the append. So for that, first just check this up. So write f dot close, press enter. Now go to desktop, open test1, and you can see your previous first line is not here. That means whenever you will write something, some or we can say whenever you will write something into a text file, it will overwrite all the things and it will start to write the new things. But what if you don't want to overwrite the things, or we can say you want to add the further lines into the same text file? In that case, you are going to use the append method. So for that, f equals to open, take the text file test1.txt comma a means you are using it in the append mode. Just close the bracket and press enter. And this time when you will write something into your file, or you can say just write lines, it will not overwrite it. It will just add this line into your text file. So this time it will not overwrite it. So for checking, just close this and check this on desktop. So you can see you have seen so many lines, and this time it has not overwritten it. It has just append those lines into your text file. So I hope this is clear to all of you, that how we are going to create a file, how we are going to access this in 3 different modes, that is write, read and append mode. But still, if you are facing any problem in the commands or in the functions shown in the video, then please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my videos. And thanks for watching this video.